وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى, and your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied. لَا تَحْزَنْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَنَا, do not grieve, indeed Allah is with us. وَاللَّهُ يَسْمَعُ تَحَاوُرَكُمَا, and Allah hears your dialogue. Alam ya'lam bi anna Allah yara, did he not realize that Allah is watching? Wama tawfiqi illa billah, my success is only by Allah. Allahu yuhibbul mutawakkilin, Allah loves those who trust Him. وَمَنْ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ, and who can forgive sins except Allah. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ, so which of the favor of your Lord would you deny? فَمَنْ تَبِعَ هُدَايَ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ, whoever follows my guidance, there will be no fear and they will not grieve. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun, to Allah we belong and to Him we shall return.